Hey there, things are pretty normal out here, other than, like, there's this growth on my side, but, I mean, it talked the other day, but, I'm not sure it's learned how to read yet, so, I'm not gonna have any problems killing it. Um, and, everything's pretty good, I guess. My parents are walking in the other room again, so they're zombies, and I ran out of stuff to chuck at them, so. But I figured out a way to get rid of that stupid Neil Diamond album that I have. So, no more Neil Diamond. A lot more zombie stuff out there. Let's just hope that they don't get their hands on the dynamite that is out there and blow up the basement. So. My parents found the dynamite. Why did I have dynamite? I'm just gonna talk into the camera for a little while, if that's okay. And that's why I'm scared of the color yellow. All that I was able to grab from the basement was the computer, obviously, and some tattoos that I had won from Chuck E. Cheese's. I am really hating Noah Bushnell right now.